Guys, I'm all alone here. What? Happy birthday, George. The psychiatric. I'm not sleeping there tonight. Looks dodgy. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are embarking on a thrilling journey deep into the heart of the Rhodos Mountains in Cyprus. We are heading to the mysterious and abandoned hospital of Amiandos village. Once a lifeline for the local mining community, it now stands as a haunting reminder of the past. Buckle up and join me as we explore its eerie corridors and uncover the secrets hidden within. Let's get started. Welcome to Amiandos village, nestled in the heart of Rhodos Mountains in Cyprus. This tranquil village, with its lush green landscapes and serene beauty, hides a haunting secret. Today, we unravel the chilling tale of the abandoned hospital of Amiandos, once a beacon of hope, now a relic of despair. In the early 20th century, Amiandos thrived as a booming center for asbestos mining. Workers flocked here, drawn by the promise of employment and a new beginning. The Amiandos Hospital was built to cater to these workers and their families, offering medical care in an era where such facilities were rare. But as the years passed, the very substance that brought prosperity to Amiandos revealed its deadly side. Asbestos, once dubbed the magic mineral, turned out to be a serial and silent killer. The locals have their own stories to tell. Some say they've seen shadowy figures moving through the hospital's corridors. Others recall hearing cries for help from empty rooms. Is it just the power of suggestion, or is there something more sinister at play? Let's go find out. Here we go. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Pond. That was a bad, guys. Jesus Christ. There's a lot of windows above us. Everything is destroyed. The whole building is made of asbestos, wood. I can still see some tubes here.
Oh, this looks okay. Dark areas. Nah, I'm not going down there. Who the fuck is this? What is this? Was it a sink? Oh, there's a fireplace. Jesus Christ. There's fucking flies everywhere. What's it here? No, there's nothing there. Santa Claus. Jesus. Oh, it's like a coin. There's more. What's Happy Birthday, George? Who wrote this? Jesus. Oh, look at the ceiling. Guys, I'm all alone here. If something happens, I don't know what I will do. Bat. It was a bat just flew. Alright. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Too many flies here. Oh, there's an attic. What is this? Oh. Some graffiti, okay. Psychiatric dome. Okay, that's funny. Somebody did some graffitis here. What? Whoa. Alright. This guy has good imagination. Look at this. That's me. Oh, everywhere is destroyed, man. They collect all the doors over there. Probably somebody smashed the walls here. Look at the ceiling. All right, I think I found the engine room. Probably it's a generator. Looks dodgy. Let me show you. Oh, it's all rusty. This is a boiler. Okay, it's a boiler. It's very rusty. Should I check inside? Let's go ahead. Oh my God. Anybody here? No. Oh, this is where I came from before. All right, I didn't go down here from before. All right. Dodgy paintings. Let's see. Ah, back to nature. Back to the light. What is this, bed? This is bed, wooden frame. Yeah, I'm not sleeping there tonight. Oh, alright. Oh, there's nothing down there. Okay. I think I saw. Oh yeah, it's like a little cottage here. Oh guys, is that a cherry tree? I think it's a cherry tree. Let me check it out afterwards. Ooh. Clothes here. Or did they? Look at this. Right, back to the house. All right, let's go back to the house. Hospital. What am I saying? Alright, we show this. What's the point of going up and then going down these stairs? I don't know. What, they doing pull-ups here? Anyway. It's a bird nest. Wow. Okay, I don't think this happened naturally. Oh, that's a nice view. Stinks of piss here. What? My God. All right, let's see. What was that? What is this? Somebody here. Somebody here?